Today is Friday, March 2nd, 2012. I'm coming to you from Waukesha, Wisconsin. It is snowing out right now. It's coming down really hard right now. Visibility is really poor.